In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Microsoft Teams calendar, which is now powered by Outlook. This updated calendar integration brings a seamless experience and new features aimed at enhancing productivity. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, these tips will ensure you get the most out of this tool. To get started, open your Microsoft Teams application. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a vertical menu with a variety of options. Go ahead and click on the icon labeled Calendar. This will open up your Outlook-powered calendar within Teams, allowing you to manage your schedules without needing to switch between apps. It provides a unified platform for all your meetings, events, and appointments. Once you have your calendar open, the next step is to select the specific date for your event or meeting. Simply navigate through the calendar and click on the day you have in mind. This action will open a calendar interface where you can add more details about your event. Now let's add a title to your event. It's important to be descriptive here. Your title not only identifies the nature of your meeting, but also aids in a quick overview, especially when handling multiple events within a day. You can type in titles like Team Sync Up, Project Review, or Budget Meeting, whatever best describes your event. Next, you'll need to invite participants to your event. To do this, enter the names or email addresses of the individuals you wish to join. The suggestions option is a helpful tool here, as it can auto-complete names based on your contact list, saving you time and avoiding errors. Ensure all necessary participants are included so everyone is on the same page. Once all the details are filled out, it's time to save the event. On the top or bottom of your interface, depending on your version of Teams, you'll see a button labeled Save. Click this button to finalize and add your event to the calendar. This action sends out invitations to the participants and marks the date on their respective calendars as well. As a final tip, once your event is saved, there's an option to copy. This function is particularly useful when your meeting details are needed in another format, such as email or a document. You can paste the copied content wherever needed, ensuring the details are clearly communicated to everyone involved. And there you have it, a simple guide to using the new Microsoft Teams calendar, brought to you by Outlook. By following these steps, scheduling becomes a breeze, leaving you more time to focus on what really matters. Don't forget to explore all additional features to suit your personal or organizational needs. Thanks for tuning in and happy scheduling.